Candida here. I was sent the couch console in exchange for my honest review. The couch console is lightweight and portable, so not only can I use it on the couch, I can use it in the car, I can use it when I'm working outside, I can take it to the pool. I love the fact that it can basically go anywhere with me, even in bed with me. What I like about this is it has my snack cup and it's got a place here for my drink, and it's self-leveling, so any way I put it in, I don't have to worry about it being spilt. As a mom with kids who are always in the living room with snacks and drinks, this is great because these come out and I can simply stick them in the dishwasher, get them clean, and then put them right back in. With this console, when I pull it out, if I put a battery pack in here, I can then plug in my devices and charge them all right here from the console. So that's a great little feature. I like the fact that I can keep my remotes in here, I can keep my pins in here, any little things that I use, and it goes right here on the couch. On the bottom, it's got the little gripper here, and so I don't have to worry about it being knocked over or spilling or anything like that. I do like being able to have my drink and snacks right here within reach, and I love the fact that these can pop out for easy cleanup. So it's easy to maintain, have my snacks and everything organized in one place. So I hope you found the review helpful.